Hello everyone, I want to share a new discovery news about the black hole. A closest black hole is discovered by Maxwell Planck Institute of Astrophysics, and to study about the closest black hole, first we will study what is a black hole, and then we'll go the what is the new closest black hole discovered by Maxwell Planck Institute. So, what is a black hole? That the name suggests is a black and hole. Black means any object which not reflect any light. That means it absorb all the radiation. It's the same thing happening with the black holes as well. When a star died with a particular mass, then it will form as a black hole. Its gravitational pull is very strong, so that even light cannot escape from it. As we know that light have some momentum, and light have some particles like photons, and which have some mass. Rest mass is zero of photons, but moving photons have some mass. That means they can be gravitationally attracted. So even light cannot escape from a black hole. Its gravitational pull is so strong. Also, a term is called event horizon. What is that event horizon? It is a particular point near the black hole from where any object, if enter any object enters in this event horizon, it will not return back uh, after that. So even light, if enters light from event horizon, it cannot come back uh, uh, ahead of event horizon. That means black hole attracts that light also. So it's a boundary from where velocity needed to escape exceed the speed of light. That means if any object have speed greater than speed of light, that can escape from that. But till now, it is the speed limit of any cosmos world. That means nothing can move with the greater speed than speed of light. So, black hole also exist in all galaxies at the center, as we have in the Milky Way have a supermassive black hole at the center. Also, that already discussed, already explained about the matter and radiation fall. They cannot get out. Okay, so it's a whole idea about the black hole. What are the black hole and what can they do with their surrounding? Okay, so you can see by this image, this is the event horizon. If any object will go from this event horizon towards the black hole, it will be attracted by that black hole. So if you can consider, if Earth is a black hole, Earth will be a black hole, then its event horizon is around 9 millimeter. That means it's a very less event horizon, means a square-celled radius. We can say that radius is known as square-celled radius. Square-celled radius. Okay, so after this event horizon, nothing can escape. The whole idea is about the event horizon. So the new black hole within the new closest black hole is discovered. What is the name of that? Gia BH1 is the binary star system. Binary means two star. One is a black hole and other is a star. Is a sun-like star, and there also in the distance between them is also nearby 1 astronomical unit. That is the average distance between Earth and our sun. So the sun-like star have mass around zero point 0.9 of solar mass, and also the radius zero point 0.9 around solar radius. So, and this black hole is at 1560, around 1560 light years from the Earth, and it is a G-type main sequence star. Main sequence means the star which are neither expanding nor contracting. So it's a G type, and it is a type of G, means its temperature lie around 5000 Kelvin. So this is the whole idea about the Gia BH1. Also, it is lied in the constellation of Ophiuchus. Ophiuchus constellation. Ophiuchus shape, I will show the shape of Ophiuchus also. The nearest known solar system, nearest a binary system which have a black hole. Okay, and also from before November 2022, the nearest known black hole is A062000. That is the black hole known for astronomers. But now the black hole known for GIPH1 in the Ophiuchus constellation. Also, it is a dormant. Dormant means it's not active. Means it is not gathering any light or anything from the surrounding. Also, it's a 10 times more massive than our sun. So a question can also be asked that if it is not in active state, so how we find that it is a black hole? So because a black hole is a black, how we find the black hole in the universe? We see black hole uh, at the center there is a black and the surrounding is a X-ray sources, means a huge amount of light available around the black hole. So black hole can be identified by these phenomena, X-ray sources they are called. But in this case, it is a dormant, means it is neither gathering any light or nor uh, emitting any light. So how we find that it is a black hole? So the theoretical concept behind this, we are studying this sun, uh, and we are getting that it's a black hole nearby. Its boundary, its companion is a black hole. So whole study revolve around the theoretical studies and mathematical formulation. So also the star have something I already told about. The mass is 0.93 solar mass and the radius is around 0.99 solar radius. That means around approximate equal to our sun size. So temperature is 5850 Kelvin and our sun have average temperature is 5772 Kelvin around. So just a similar like our sun also. Also, the black hole have as mass around 9.62 solar mass. That means it's around 10 times more massive than our sun. And its square-cell radius is around 28 kilometers. That means it is such a compact form that its radius is around 28 kilometers. That means its event horizon lies around 20 at the 28 kilometers, right? So uh, at near the event horizon, nothing can be escaped. So this is the whole idea about the event horizon and square cell radius. Now you can see the Ophiuchus constellation. So this is the shape of Ophiuchus constellation. It's a similar kind of a snake holding by any god. So this is the shape of Ophiuchus, and that's all for GIA BH1, the new black hole discovered by Maxwell Planck Institute. So thank you very much for understanding this.